What's up, America? It's time to find out where the new home of Silverback, the giveaway truck, is gonna be. What we have is this massive climbing wall built for a Silverback. We have the 10 finalists right here in my hat. You see those people behind me? Them and myself will be drawing a name out of this hat, and the fastest time up the wall wins Silverback! Yeah! Contestant number 1.
All right, I'm Tyson, and I'm racing for Daniel Danfield.
All right, let's
Certainly
hope for
gonna
Danfield.
try.
Good luck.
Okay.
Contestant number 2.
Okay, I'm Iram, and I'm racing for Octavio Ortiz.
Nice. Are you gonna win?
Voy a ganar.
Oh, good luck, buddy.
Okay, good luck.
Contestant number 3.
I'm Savannah, and I am racing for Robert Felicia.
What's up, Felicia? No, bye, Felicia here. We're going all the way, right?
We're going all the way.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Contestant number 4.
I'm Clark, and I'm racing for Martin House.
He's in the house. Mark's in the house. Hey, good luck. Contestant number 5.
I'm Bryson, and we're racing for Brittany Landry.
Ooh, Britton Landry from New York. That truck would look pretty good in New York, right?
I think so.
Good luck, my friend. Tear it up. Contestant number 6.
William.
William, who are you racing for today?
Tyler Lightning.
Well, I see you jump over the bounce house in the last video. You just gonna jump to the top?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna fly to the top this time.
Well, good luck. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Contestant number 7, straight from heaven, is our very own Hunter. Who you got?
Racing for John Paul Cuzzo.
Kuzo, I think.
Kuzo.
California, nice. All right, hey, how are you gonna win? What's your technique?
I'm gonna flail my long arms and legs around frantically and hope they catch the holds.
Well, good
We'll
luck.
see.
And then last but not least, yours truly will be racing for none other than Colin Darnell from Texas. This is how it's gonna work. Fastest time up the wall wins Silverback. Go! Let's see. Go, Tyson. Get that cowbell. Hey, good job, buddy. Climb! Come on, Iram! Come on! You are crushing it, Iram! What? Big time! Woo! 16.73! Crushed it, nice work. Climb! Come on, Savannah! You got it. Look at her go. Go. Oh! So close! Those are slippery holes.
They are.
Climb! Come on, Clark! You just gotta beat 16 seconds, no big deal. I don't know, you're making good time though. Get up there, Clark, come on. Ring that bell, yes! Time! Woo, 34.4. 34.4, that's pretty good. Good climbing, buddy. Climb! Go! Do it for Brittany! Come on, Bryson. He's cruising. Oh, he might be that 60. Oh, time! Woo! 13.89! Brittany, you're in the lead for the truck! Bro, 13.89! Brittany is now in first place. Woo! We got a race, fellas. Nice climbing, bro. Climb! Go, Will, go! Yeah! Do it for Tyler! He's cruising. He is cruising right along. Man, look at that cross grip. Oh! No! Bro, hey, you were cruising though. I think you were on track to win it. Climb! Go, Hunter! Whoa! What? You're like a spider monkey! What? Oh! 7.59. So you've never climbed before in your life? Woo. All right, Diesel, who you got? Colin Darnell. Well, then are you ready? Yeah, I got my climbing boots on. Climb! Woo! enough for third place. Fastest time of the day with none other than our manhunter with 7 seconds up the climbing wall. Are you insane? Have you been practicing for this moment? Do you realize what this means?
John Paul Kuzo, you just won your truck.
John Paul Kuzo, you just won Silverback! Woo! Yeah! You did it! Hey, if you're not John Paul Kuzo, you could still win Nightmare. Just go to dieselpoweryou.com and next month, it could be you.